Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate GigSky eSIM on your phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then you need to find cellular, or it might be called mobile service like this, and you need to click on it. After that, you need to find Add eSIM button, which is right here. Click on it. And you will have two options to activate your eSIM. You can transfer from nearby iPhone, or you can use the QR code to activate the eSIM. So you need to take your eSIM card and you need to click this button, use QR code, and you need to scan the QR code using the camera. Or you can just click enter details manually in the bottom and you can enter all of the details manually. SMTP plus address, activation code, and confirmation code. Then click the next button on the top right and your eSIM will be activated on your phone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.